with the woman for inside house. What did they want to discuss? Now the man, the single mother can't greet. No, now the woman now can't greet. So now your husband is supposed to carry enter inside house. So now drink eye. Now that man take do one. And when you don't do one finish, you call look and say no be wife. Now my whole idea. Now just still they talk. So who want to talk, make it talk.
Thank you so much.
I verify. Wait till you talk, you are right, but not be all I agree with you. When you say it's my wife, now in this stay in like sleep with. First of all, if now man like a night 3 of them, may I say 3 of them they drink. That his friend now man like her. He go still say now his wife she go sleep with his friend. No. And he know say he can't know the hole to put her now drink high. Make the woman investigate very well. They don't first they do one, not be today, not be that day they start up. They don't first they do one. That one aside. And I blame the wife too as you first. I really blame the wife. When you know say your husband knows a big drink, you're not even supposed to buy what they call alcohol near him. So if na small pikin still there with an the same thing go still do, or na your daughter like that with an the same thing go still do, or his son, no. So as a woman, when you know say your wife, your husband knows a big drink. If you take only half of Guinness, you don't they move on. Buy Coca-Cola, give her make they drink. You will be say you sabi drink, then you feel drink as you want. Or a friend to come visit her too. If you drink as you want, make she investigate where they don't first they do something. There is something there. So both of them they know what they do. Okay, you know say your wife don't cash you. Wait till day you call her and say my wife I beg no verse. Now drink what say na jo, for example. You know do one, they see they carry face journal. At your house, may you try settle yourself with your husband or may you investigate them very well. If you dey here, no vessel. That kind of match, if you still see your picking go knock out to one and no vessel.
Well, good evening.
I agree to now.
Yeah.
To my own according to brother when you first talk.
That's no vessel.
Number
no
one.
May we make first talk and beg. May you wait and beg, bro. Because the man dey silent. The man dey silent. No, now men are supposed to talk last.
Wait, make a part
know the reason.
No, make a part talk. Everybody get to first. Epa continue.
Epa, sorry. Continue. Brother Prince.
Okay.
Brother Prince.
To me on where's the mama? To me on when a brossy carry tie bang. There is a mistake has been made. The mistake in also no one. Number one, the man at the beginning.
English.
Okay. The mistake, a very big mistake have been made. You understand? Number one, the man is drunk already. Even the lady in question, she's also drunk. They are both drunk. Now, I can see some confusion. The man and the woman. Maybe the man is going to take his time to apologize to his wife. No say at times when that matter happen, the man is already in a state of dilemma right now. You understand? He don't confuse. The woman don't go. So what they call ogbonu. So the matter don't already shock the man well. So maybe the man is looking for an avenue to apologize to the wife. You understand? So he need a very, very good avenue to apologize when you see the fine. But if the man is not apologizing, then it will look like intentional. You understand? It will look like intentional, but still on still, I still advise the woman to take her husband back. You understand? Because say this kind of scenario is not, I don't see it's not enough to quit a long time friendship. You understand? So there is nothing like domestic violence here, wherever. You understand? A visitor that came to the house, the woman visitor the highest the woman will do, she will do away with the woman with her friend. You understand? Not enter my house again. You stupid. You this one. Because they will just try to use one or two words, do away with the woman, cut her friendship, quarrel with the husband. If the husband know how, she know how what did the husband they do before, they know how to settle their differences and all. But it's not enough to just break a long-term relationship or a family, whatever. You understand? So the woman should please find a place in her heart to forgive her husband. I'm apologizing on behalf of the man. We don't know what we are doing, madam. Please forgive my friend and take your husband in and drive your friend away. Next time, don't leave your husband with your friend, especially when you know he is drunk. You understand? According to Benin, say, that is make not beat person when they drink. Chris man, he gets sense past person when he drink. Go and check it out. Chris man, he gets sense past person when he drink. Chris man go see home, he go past the corner. Chris man go see home, he go past the corner, he not go fall inside. But person when he drink, he go see home, he go fall inside. You know? You understand? So it gets sense past person when he drink. So please, to me, I see some, according to that brother saying, so maybe the woman not bet me not driving her husband. The mistake, maybe definitely the husband will apologize. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
No vessel. If na woman happen to, without the woman no see explain. How you go do
talk your own? See, wait. You see, talk your own. Wait. Wait, I don't say your
God. The man know what they do. They don't find the
believe.
Una good evening. Una good evening, my people. Una good evening.
Bros, Christian, not verse. Wait, I believe. Make I believe, understand something. I believe, you know what's in it. This topic, we not do and say if na woman. No, treat her normal topic. You understand? More not do and say if na woman. But if you say more do and we not go. People not go understand. Confusion will come. Men go dey one side, women go dey one side. So more treat her. As normal topic say it happened to our brother.
Okay, wait.
Kevi, are you there? Kevi, are you there?
Let's say Kevin, they call.
So I believe, I know hear from you.
Before
firstly, I think say even the woman where we they talk so she not wrong. You know why? Because the man not be small picking. He no say he no sabi drink. Like me, my husband not dey drink. But me they drink. Me and friends, we fit drink, I go enter house. If you no say you be man, you no sabi drink. Why you go drink if you no plan wetin you want do? Two of them don't fair they see. No be that place, no be only there for starter. They just want open her up with drink. May they put the fault on that woman. For me, I think say they do am just because they won't do am. They won't just open up, make the woman no say, see what they happen. And the two of them no talk. This one silent, the other one silent. Two of them no fit be the same person at the same time. Shock, no fit carry the two of them at the same time. Me one no talk. That means the two of them know what they do. You know fit say, because you just can't do it for my face, you not talk, I go forgive you. Explanation must be something you must stop.
Now you your talk so say shock no fit carry the two of them. Now I can carry this matter.
Carry the two of them. Never.
I want they make her the craze with this one. So the woman, the wife.
Because now their plan. They say move just do one for her eye. Move say na drink. She no say I no sabi drink. This something happen, so we'll just do one like that. Wait till the girl go just they observe. Make sure they look at whether the two of them go together. Because the man must beg. Make them come back. If the man don't want beg, you want make the woman come out, make the two of them join together. Now what you want, might be that.
And then the knocking does start and go continue.
Yes, it does start. Who is this?
Una good evening. Una good
Bros,
evening.
wait.
Good evening.
Before me, Kevin, Chris. Good evening, Kevin. More hear from
Evening.
you.
I just dey follow the matter when they talk about this husband and wife issue. So, from my understanding, wetin I see inside be say it's like the man and the woman don already feel they do this thing for a very long time. That is just the fact. Because that process where that woman can't take on the light first, that man go notice and say the on light, so the woman never felt it, see am clearly. No matter the quantity of alcohol when he see drink, he go know say na house he dey. Then the woman come like say she can still go, come back again to come re on the light again. Before she need to even call her husband name. Before the man, the sign of the response of that man go even tell the woman say, "Nah, I make my husband do this thing." You no shock, no remorse, nothing. Instead, the woman feel unconcerned. The man also feel unconcerned. Whether in the form, just be like person be say want do it, be say the woman go use her own leg to leave the husband house. Now it be the sign where the man give her. Because any man when they really catch for that kind of act, when he wife or really say that wife catch him, even for one night, you know, if he sleep for the same house with that woman without apology, without beg, whether the woman will still accept her or whether the woman will still trust him back like before for that marriage to carry on. So for my own belief is like the man already tired for the marriage. Now make can you use that process take do one with that your wife best friend. I will tell you notice between the both of them. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. Chris,
Una good evening, my people. I greet you now.
welcome.
Our brother, our sister would have already hit the name. They say not all friends are friends, especially the female side. Even by you say the both side self. Because if na see men just now, you fit knock the woman. If na see the woman, fit knock the man. Wetin I see for inside say that man and that woman, they don't fit know themselves way back. Maybe the wife not know say they are to know their self. So opportunity there, now the woman can't visit there because she say now this woman be the okay more you do and could say we don't know each other, more you they take a call till they follow up normal level. You understand? Okay, somebody where he drink, he say na drink, or maybe he not see talk say na drink. As your wife already catch you like that, why the man not use that drink to slap that woman? Because there are some people now they will drink like this and they do anyhow, they scatter everywhere, they do things, but he not do. So more not reason say na drink I made the man do one. No, the man know what he do, and the woman wey still give am the poyonyon, he still know what she do. So now so me you see and reach for his side. Agree they ask one love.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Queen, any other person?
This thing they pay no. They pay no.
As for me too, before this woman bring her on social media, so may try make him investigate both their two. As far as they are two silent like who die, they not agree talk. Make investigate them very well. Everything where all these bros talk, like I say I join hand well. Make that woman investigate very well. Or as that woman they come, maybe now see the woman applying, go fit call that man husband say bad drink down today we go high well. You understand? So all those kind of things see there. Make that woman investigate very well. They don't
make the woman not forgive her husband, make her go back.
If that man not beg that woman, if you not apologize, you know say something don't they go on for a long time according to what my
need to just like to don't lean down, they beg that woman.
Definitely, if na man like me do that kind of thing, now that moment I they put my leave for dance and I drink and I worry me, I don't know, I begin to beg. Then my woman will go understand. So okay, now drink everything go die.
Baba drink. No, they do pest like that. A real drunk man, dey hard before motor go even kill am throway
You
sef.
understand? So as the man not come
You know
talk,
they hard. No matter say you hard, you go see road till reach your house.
well.
Exactly.
And you go one people there.
Now me say they are two they don't get arrangement down.
Which way say na drink? You say na alcohol, all the influence of alcohol. Which one be alcohol? Alcohol not dey inside the matter. Alcohol not dey inside the matter. How many bottle you drink?
Go for fair even enter house, tell your wife, say, yeah, I know women, I love you. I won't go sleep.
So
Me, quick. He don't know say no sabi take. If for not even responsible man, we no say no fit take. You know if you go to drink for a friend. Your wife friend front. Not be responsible person. Man.
The man not responsible for the matter.
they get game
May they remove drink for inside, not be drink. Drink not your get wetin e cost for inside at all. He purposely do wetin he do.
Bros, more than not verse, I want to ask una this question as a man. Una know una gauge wey be say get where you drink reach, you say I don't tire. I don't feel everybody know, even women wey they drink safe. Even though say na one bottle you dey take, if you know say if you take 2, it go shock you. If you reach 1.5, you suffer stop. Normal. I know say some people young was maybe not let your door, door here, team work like that. But at least as a man, this one not be say outside. You dey your own parlor. As you don't, you know your gate. Say I don't drink am una hear my power reach. You stop. Let me say you still dey drink.
My big sister.
Yeah.
My big sister, if person drink excess or extra, he go weak that person self. You not go even see woman say he want even knack. Say maybe he drink excess, pass your gauge. You
can't let me fair ask this question.
You not go even no road. You not go no road.
I would say na your
say he drink pass excess.
You sleep with
he go your weak, go your fair collapse for there, go your collapse. Person wey say he no sabi dey drink he can't drink pass your gauge. You go quick for them, go your cooler, they'll call it pour water.
If my own daughter there with a goat, he go see sitting na his wife.
He don't go see. I'm going to show you say now. Not be drink.
Now Europe.
How many bottle you drink?
For Africa.
If I say na Europe, we don't know.
Join me for Apple. Now they of recently the matter
for Europe, yeah.
If even though say na Europe or na Africa, Baba, not be drink. They are to know each other normal for one side.
Now that can't even common to happen in Europe.
Because they go see the woman before for a house.
Normal level now. They go on a low-key form. They are two go do say they don't know each other. You know how many you know some women where they do like that. I don't know you, you don't know me. You go click you see to a normal level.
Blame the woman, sha. You bring your friend come.
Bros, you want to tell me now? You want me want tell you now? Say this. Bros will run this package, so as well as say they are two don't keep silent. You know that they are two don't run things to keep say them make them not talk.
They go do DNA. Those children, one of those be picking out.
Yes, normal level.
As they are two don't silent, so now as they are two don't silent, so now maybe they are two don't talk to each other. Say not talk.
No, leave her. If she cry, finish. She go.
I'm telling you.
Oh my God.
If the wait for my advice to that lady. If she still love her man, he love the man.
Maybe
she will move on because
you know if you
understand.
That kind of thing they had now. Person will not talk to you. He not give you explanation. He don't fuck you up. You can't agree like that,
bro. If he move on, like that, I swear to Almighty God. That man will knock that woman for his hand, so and that woman will go the knock for your personal hands.
No, may you see there with the man. May there with the man. One day, yeah. One day, far Oyanj go open for ground. May the woman you do some investigation a little bit.
About their team.
Because the man, he to say the man still beg. The woman will still.
He not bad. You look at say.
You don't feel continue like that. Because they break up with the woman. You don't break up in it.
Person wey want do bad. You don't care whether shit dey in she go bite am.
Normal level now.
You don't care.
So waiting me see for inside I be that one. They are to know each other for a very long time. They are two they even they shop each other self.
What do visit?
They the shop.
I don't know say single mother now. Obiere, he not see man since now.
Maybe for a very long time, I hear can see say, if I level you're the like the stand one can. You go your shop and clean map now.
You know say some women dey once man don use am touch am, go just
Yes, baby, darkness go your come.
They drink now, they drink. I want you guys.
No be drinky. Mama no they say drink. Una way no they drink, they say na drink.
How many cups?
Okay, mama, if you say na drink, if wife wey come out go inside house, after some minutes, why you not call get her? Because the wife see drink too.
The wife drink, he can't no road, take leave
He can't no road.
He know it has. He will not sabi drink. He know it has.
Because that your wife, as that your wife drink so, she go relax. As the woman relax, her break come back again, she go ease herself. After she don't ease herself, that drink don't go. Be that one. As a drunkard, you must ease yourself.
How many bottles they drink? Now whiskey they drink.
Jack Daniel.
I knew TA. I knew what now.
John Daniel, how many bottles there now for John Daniel? Reach 3 bottles.
Johnny Wakasi,
na holiday na cool evening. They also here they relax.
Not be cool holiday. Forget about holiday. Not be drink. That man you see the day on the low key say na drinking.
And Nigeria they do that kind of thing. Nigeria they use for that kind of thing. Nigeria.
Johnny
Nigeria they do behave work like that.
If you see drink self, you go see no road. They enter house. You go. For example, you drink for outside. You see no road. You go open your door. The next thing you lock your door, you enter bed. You sleep well.
Nothing I don't know, that girl don't feel, don't feel that man body.
They don't feel they do, princess. Don't say they don't feel they do. Listen, princess.
But wetin happen so na see sense to every ladies and men who una friends who na dey carry say visit all those kind of stuff. Well, una know some kind of friends. That's why I first say not all friends are friends. Some friends they will want your consistent person go. Yeah. So na that one me see. You know how your friend take gallant. Or that moment you carry your man go inside Papa Sagbokan mo go or you get what I want tell you. You use that level you take prepare and go put for inside bed. Before you know sleep don't take am.
Or you call am, go one side first, tell am say you know say I know say you know sabi drink o, abeg small drink.
No, you not tell am like that. If you tell am he go vex, you use level after he don't take bottle like that. You prepare and go inside house. Una two go you talk one talk. Before you know sleep don't take am.
You never see some man. You know how man you always say me I obo
he go mad you say get wetin I wan tell you. Ije gele team see get some kind story wey you give am.
Neno kuna ma beti e lawa we gayari okpa yo no see us me no do too much. Hey go.
That's why I was saying family was.
This matter, they don't feel the knack. They don't feel get
Okay, you can ask the work queen question. Work queen, what do you come talk for this matter about these two people? The work queen.
The work queen don't tire.
No, I never tire. The matter, don't many don't join ourselves.
What do you call reason now? What do you call reason? What do you call tell the woman now? What to do?
No, I tell the woman say at this time matter, only more I not fit judge am because if I judge her, I go be like I want the I want the settlement. So I dey like to carry this time matter come out. At last, okay, I will carry and come out. She say yes, that's what she tell me. Make I carry and come out because she is safe now and mental health. You know the reason where. If she enter that parlor, if she see her husband,
yeah, she don't. That woman don't depressed now. Oh,
yes, it dey affect her. That make her. She give me nothing happen to me.
Trauma don't dey worry that woman now. Oh God.
Don't dey worry am. So now make her say make I carry her come out. Only more no fit talk this kind
Oh,
thing.
you don't see so the way woman
You
will
don't dey inside. I don't dey
oh your
inside.
wife
Single
will
mother
just
dey
jam you,
inside.
just hang another woman leg, go one side.
My when come be say na doggy come give her. Na that doggy me get problem. You no see papa and mama me wan do.
No, now that doggy na be the quick action. Na be the quick action. Papa and mama not be quick action like that. That doggy, the woman go your bend, go your the knack and they give her. But where the thing not come
I
from?
can sweet. That kind when you drink, you can't do that kind of doggy. That
Not
kind
be
one can sweat.
the thing, okay. The woman see come. The woman see come, but the thing not fall.
You not fall. Until the woman come hit her for back, come remove
You know,
back.
see, you know what thing they do. Somebody will mistakenly do something. If he shout from and say, why they do? He go to shake.
See,
One
bros,
time go enter his body self.
bros, the moment that woman take on that light,
Yes, now. The thing go your go down. That shock go your. You go your feel like say cold water that you pour you. You go your go down.
That means the girl sweet pass the wife.
Never can tell. Maybe the woman also they give my poyoyo like that to go see verify.
bros, you know, say some kind children they now, if they sleep, they by mistake turn small. Maybe husband and their papa and mama they do some kind things, and then they just come home light. You know, say the papa everything go just die that moment.
Yes, now he did die. Yes, he go your go fear.
You go
Yes,
just
go kill that spirit.
But this one another woofia. Why you see Kamwe?
Wait, the work mention one thing. Wait, the work
for some time.
The work will mention one thing. He said the man use condom. That means the work will.
He say he use rubber.
Rubber. They no use rubber no dey for the matter at all. He just bend her for parlor for top
And
of
the woman not
her.
even. I believe say the woman not off. He not off her things where she wear. He all bend the pants or the skirt or whatever.
They know your off things. Now you just see husband for the back.
Okay. They know what thing that they do now.
But he never quit the man to come for the woman.
No, I not think he never quick the man to come. Maybe that made the man not talk. Say I'm sorry now because a baby can't be here.
But that thing they make person paro. You know what he will do. Other you slap. No, I will say the man read drink. He will slap that woman.
This one what would you tell? So, may God make the woman heal from the little head.
No, the man for slap you. He for slap the woman. Not be drinking, not drink.
That man not come. That con with that man not come. So that man will go come for another place with that woman.
That man go see find that girl.
He go find now.
Maybe the way you take position her, just like throw away and give her burn her like monkey style. Wallahi.
If that woman leave her husband now, that man will go back to that baby mama.
And that
Maybe
baby mama
they don't
now,
exchange number or he don't put number for her phone.
and that
Everything.
baby mama
They
now,
know each other.
that baby mama not even see think say na a friend. People wicked though.
I say, now if you want this, I
Not all friends are friends, so now me they talk am.
Friends, you dey say friends dey Europe. Now friends dey collect people husband that time all these days now. What could you not remember that time? My mama dey all of the day here. Not be friends dey collect people man. He go tell you say if you no fit stay, make you comot.
May you come out now, yes now.
Not now. They'll begin they buy and shoe, buy and busters for your bag. They collect contact. They can't say you're not worried that my friend are bad dead. Oh really? Not vex, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, sign your law now.
Yes, sir. But they spend money for the guy. If you no fit.
Where easy to dey call another person husband daddy mona fear them.
Every woman wey you say daddy go you greet your husband daddy, you go run for that woman.
Yes, sir. I'll be going your talk. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. He don't call you man, you will be friend. They call your husband sir. Because they do say they get character pass.
My people. Now 2 months, now better things.
Mommy Queen.
Wow, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hey, Mama Wendy.
Good afternoon, Mama Wendy. And if you see that woman, what queen, that single mother, so, as she not beg, something there under.
Yeah,
That thing,
when
he
no
should
check
not.
of your can you kpago that for no.
Make it check. Make that woman check very well. As that baby single mother not beg her as a friend.
Now me are you jakwa for nothing here sa wife one. Come on. Ye wa we ye wa we ije me sa no boy kia. E kia no be na ki me be do ba e wo egbola e pe ku so ko be bo wi e la jan. O kun gbe
Eku so ko ni wa ri eniyan o wa ri eniyan o wa pe ma ni.
Igbeli e fa wa. Ije mana go here e fa ba so ni.
Who are bad? The man man that they go away not talk. So you go say, hey, this woman not let me knock her very well.
The thing sweet me man.
They don't get her. They don't do. I don't think.
I don't tell you that they do that
They
thing.
dey do am for long.
Ije he may we aya
You go just say, okay, now more just knock her. If the woman does come, the woman find a way there.
Eh, the woman even fuck up, sir. She even fuck up. The beginning waka wa dege ni yeke de gbere the second time do ru pali. E mo gbebe na are jollof ru pali. O ba
Eni no ki ije ehin ya wa yare de hin. Mo we
Eye ore gbe gbebe la are jollof no hu ani. O ma ti mu mo pa na bi ye ko ya ni e ba e. Ona be ru pa ti ere
No, mama, that thing that thing are shock.
I shock you so. I shock you so.
Mama, you not feel understand. That thing a chop. Say, ma, when you live for parlor with your friend where you can't jam her. Even said the woman girl say that kind of thing they cause heart attack self in the moment.
Yeah, and the worst part now, why do I keep it silent? Silent.
You call they keep silent. Both two of them just keep silent like Odin. Matter dead there.
no can kiss silence. Oh kwa go we. Ije me ijoba lo we gbesha. Obi ani de gbe lawa ni ipe ibai.
Okay, that means make the woman tell the man may he leave.
May he come out before you go kill am. I know why see what the was away. Oh, help me.
Because if two of them want settle, make the man go do test, eh?
May you go. If he come beg her, if the man beg her, yes. If you go say okay, we'll go do test or get the reason why he come, all those things we'll go do test, they'll go test. But you go there, baba that phone. I go if even.
This kind of woman so we just do this, we do this man so now. Maybe this woman go they tell her now say go find ma, go say I'm a ma. They go see ma, but now you don't use alcohol to knock your husband.
That girl be one carry another single mother, another baby.
Alcohol. Abado muna alcohol. Me ne wa gbona salobo.
Johnny Waka just
Poor Jack Daniel.
Hey. The work queen, tell your friend before you accept the man, may go do test.
Man, the man beg her. Hey, German beg her. We no see her.
No, if the man not talk, if the man not point out a good reason, mama, if the man not point out a good reason, now there the woman will take your decision. You understand me? So make the woman still wait a little bit. May say that the man go talk anything.
If I don't just wait, my dear, may drive her for outside. Don't buy.
Okay, the baby mama now.
The man don't get anything. May carry baby mama. The man no explain anything. The reason why go put bola for inside friend because may driver for outside. The up here you buy. While they give you power.
When here you buy.
Up here you buy. Oh, boy, when you not here you buy. Until him no do turn.
Oh, since some apologize. Yes, or when I make a man no soon. Mega the woman. Even me here we are we. He get near better me here we. You want to boy left for. Because what you was the regular was your boy your when you fear.
Yeah, all your power.
Even here we here Sonia. The woman so this will not be even matter when they
go mother work pa holiday where I go wa.
Who are you running? If I go only again it's for say na him. Or what say na?
Maybe I read you know say some women, you know say we women sometimes we don't come up for husbands, we will see there. Well, you see they wait for the time when that girl go still marry, go still knock your husband.
Ogeni wa koko ni wo wodo. Esigo mother ni ogeni biego okwe wo wodo na biego.
we was the be all that for when we see I no get ya ro and then only I want maro ya na ko da for us again I vow that for no
You know
ro.
what we say?
Or that for anyway we die because he ain't work money for nothing sake.
For me, may forgive the man because if you leave that man, that girl go carry. That's go more that go do carry.
Make carry now. If you want punish the man, go let the man day in house.
But this one now go give the woman a lesson not to carry anybody of a friend as a single mother enter house again. Yes, now.
My sister.
No woman fit enter my house, so talk less of single mother.
Do you think, I believe, do you think he say it's all about if anything happen for a relationship or wherever or a marriage, it's all about because this thing, so the European ladies then now they the power now get power if the mark make anything pin it's not it must not be where you buy if you understand? It must not be come to that extent. The women should stop having this audacity say before anything fiang our feel where you buy for. Because the power that is there is just too much.
Honor apologize. I know that EJ no keep him silent. EJ salobua.
Definitely, the man is 100% wrong. Ohian must to apologize. No girl know this one. Said the man is wrong. You understand? Whether drink or no drink is already wrong. But the deal has been done. But what I'm saying, where you buy is not the option. You understand? You see the word way or when they need the other one when no more. In the next 5 years, that woman will come back to regret the worst of her mistake. Waiting and make a mistake in the one day, you will regret. You will never say.
No explanation, nothing.
I know where the problem the woman is having now, where the man is keeping her silent.
Okay,
no, where you buy is not an option. That one should be out of it, my man. Understand? Maybe on time.
Okay, new person.
What be up here you buy? What feel like based on say where the women have the ultimate power. They are the organ of Europe. You understand? Let me tell you a simple story. Going to get to more. This same thing, it happened to a lady. It happened to a lady near one married. You understand? Why now what shit. You understand? The woman now quit her marriage. You understand? You quit a marriage now. Where are we in shit? I can't take that. You understand? At the end of the day, now why is she the woman he quit that why not only lawa. That one just come inside. He just marry a man, not marry lawa. Because the woman saying is going to call for divorce. After divorce, the husband not married the other woman. Years later, that woman not come back again to be apologized because he married him when he fit. Yes, okay. Yeah. Alex Kladank is here. So years later, the woman married him when he fit suit her husband position. Otherwise and everything. He no fit see. He not come back again, come they apologize to the man, make they come settle to play a role of a side chick because the man now he don't remarry. You understand? Do you know what it is when husband, any man when he don't pay your dowry, he don't marry you? You understand? That thing is not just easy to throw away because if you don't throw it away, the second chance, now only one chance now you get again for life. It's very, very dicey. Second chance, now the woman get again for life. You understand? So please, help where you buy should be an option.
Man, ask one question. Waiting good pass, make the woman throw her for outside or make kill her throw away.
Tori. Make kill her, now the one that one I go for make kill the man.
Wait. May I quick answer
That
your
one must say,
question?
and that one I go past. If I will answer, you may kill him. If you kill him, the prison is the way for her. He's a murderer. They don't the question who die. May just kill him. He's a murderer. It's as simple as ABC. They don't they come the question what happen. So he's already a murderer. So finish. He's a murderer. So may kill him. Even that one have been choice. Because how you go say killing will be an option. They can't take those one to be an option now. You understand? So if he has the mind to free kill him, then the prison will be open for him. The family is break up. Everything don't kaput. You understand? So children don't just shall come career. So all what he shall labor for all will be in vain. So if not that one you want go for.
Okay,
Yes,
tell me.
all those things don't be option.
For what? I told me.
Option Rewana.
Mama, we didn't
All
want
those
to
things
talk.
not be waiting, never reach to destroy marriage. May they find a way to just settle it. The man will definitely apologize. Me, I know. The man just
Mama, we
keep
didn't
silent because
want to
he's
make your opinion.
he don't get waiting in the thing for mind. Maybe he don't carry in mind, don't carry waiting person, he don't see waiting person. Why you not go apologize? It's already wrong. 100% wrong.
My people are better than nervous. Make like we talk. I go talk blunt. You understand? Blunt me say go talk truth. The truth bitter. Oh. There not be everybody go accept am. Na it be blunt. You see this life, everybody get wetin be their deal breaker. Some women dey now, you go say, as far as say this man don go, he don see am with his 2 eyes. He don go put something for another woman. He no dey do again. You see that kind of woman wey go talk say I no do again because cheating na deal breaker for am. The woman no go ever come back. But some people dey cheating no be deal breaker for them. As the husband cheat, he go take am back. May we forget say go say whether another woman go take am. Some people if cheating na that deal breaker, e no concern them if another woman wan carry the man. That one no be their business because their soul, their spirits no agree with any cheating partner. So one person dey talk just now say if na he no go leave am, may he no go continue with the single mother. For me, some people fit leave, some people fit not leave. So everybody no fit be the same. You see that woman where this thing happen to, now she know wetin she really want. No be person go advise am. She need to make up her mind because husband and wife matter. Na small that they talk put. Tomorrow now, if you come tell that woman say, this man don't go to kitchen for another woman, not agree again, leave am. Maybe e not get the woman mind to leave am because he don't listen to advice for her side. He go leave the man. Tomorrow he go begin the regret. Or he go tell the man say, they even say make I leave you sef. All these bad belle people, but no worry, I no go leave you. You wey say make leave the woman, they go use you settle. So for me, husband and wife matter. Na small that they talk with. And that woman, na adult, it don't be above 18. She no need advice. Make she advise herself. Make she sit down, think. Not be make she jump, just make decision immediately. Because this thing a big shock. One person don't talk and just now say, that woman, even to waka come inside, come see say that kind of thing they go on. If he get heart attack, yes. If he get heart attack, if he get cardiac arrest, maybe if they not quick respond to am, he go just go. I want live half one. Also, maybe even if he can manage, survive that heart attack, if he get stroke. So one thing when me want talk, my people more than no vessel, husband and wife matter, na small that they talk put. If the person still there here, the listing, he say they FYP, make it decide wetin he really wants. Anybody no fit tell am wetin she go do. Now she go decide. Because now she wear the shoe, now she know where the pain am. So I go mute, more than no verse.
Mama wonder, even sometimes if man can't even jam his wife, another man they not kind, they see they forgive her much more say woman not go see forgive this kind of things.
Verify. I don't see man where they say for Nigeria. No say now are not supposed to talk.
Mm.
The man catch the woman, say they follow another man. They get 4 children. Now the man still dey beg his wife.
Okay.
Now still dey beg and say, I beg, make it not go. Even if he catch him, 2 years not go hear him. Do you understand me? So
Then the woman will come for
the
there, stop attitude.
man come they use the thing to torment the woman. Before one thing, go say, not be so I catch you, they do this one, that day. Now me to hear the matter. You understand? So everybody know what they want as you talk and just now. If it dey hard, say he want forgive the man, fine. Forgive her, now her husband. And even if you don't want forgive her, if she make up her mind, say, okay, any man wey cheat, I not care to be single mother. I don't want. Yeah. Now what she wants. So not be say go come because of friends have been social media. Go make the decision where not go favor her. Tomorrow, you go come they use hand. They bite finger. Say I die, no. That kind of person, mona no advice, mona no verse. Make she use her mouth, her hand, make her own decision. What she wants. So I go mute too. If anybody still get what they want talk, they feel still talk because I they cook, I get children here.
Mommy Queen say now that dog is saying I pay now. This life no balance.
So if they don't do another style, it can't be saying a doggy. Maybe that woman know they do doggy now. Say make they woman. Opportunity where daddy take see doggy now. Maggie see a quiet.
Papa
You see her? You see a quiet. Kita. See her. You don't want to say maybe the woman know they give her doggy now. Tomorrow you come say make go leave that man. If you beg the man, say if na doggy you want, I go they give you. If not that one you want, I go they give you. So my sister, now small, make that person, make she sit down, make she think. She really wants stay, she really want forgive the man. So now decision and make she not jump enter conclusion. If she want make the man give her time, say okay, I need to digest this thing where it just happen. Give me time, make I think about it. Then,
okay, Mommy Window, for my opinion,
okay.
if the woman forgive that man, you believe say that man no see they find a dear to go they knock that woman?
Even if you want knock am, but that kind of woman, he don't know say na wetin husband they do. So he go continue to dey forgive her, he go continue to dey tolerate her. That's why I talk just now, say everybody get wetin be deal breaker for them.
Breaker, yeah.
So if say cheating, e no be your deal breaker, fine, you don't catch am. The thing pay you. But because of that one, you no fit leave the man. Okay. Even if the man go to tomorrow, he still know. Nothing where she go fit. And the man go dey continue to dey do am. Take by the grace of God, or the person wey really stand say he ready to change. Not the person wey we or people wey come there say, my brother, no dey do that kind of thing again. Now the man go use his hand make decision. Because if that tell am say, not cheat on your wife again, the wife tell am say, not cheat on me again, he go say here. Now that time he go dey do the odogu cheating.
Yeah.
Under a wife knows. Except the man really ready say, okay, this thing where I do so is not good. I really offend my wife. I see the pain where she go through. Even me myself where do the thing. I feel bad. This thing not good. Okay, I want stop.
Yeah.
That's the only way where the man will stop. Even if pastor preach for him, say go prophet, then burn 1 million candle. If the man not ready to stop cheating, not go stop. He not go stop. No advice. Go finish and stop.
Different. He palo where? My one ga why?
Two people, then they're guilty.
Kai!
The man is guilty, while the woman is guilty.
He's guilty, yes.
Yeah, so
your
they be
friend,
two adults.
your
And
friend
I'm
when you pack shit drink, can't greet. You just
because the man no do breaking and entry. He agree for her. Because if not breaking and entry, maybe as the woman enter her, saw a clock for don't tear for here, said the woman they shout, say, Mona can't help me, oh, something they happen here. Because I don't want measure. That's why they fit out the word. The man not do breaking and entry. The two of them know what they do. It's their consent.
Not be breaking her entry.
You know
Because
how long
if not
whether this
breaking her
thing don
entry,
dey go on
the
before.
single mother go push her go meet the wife for his house.
This thing fit don dey go on. Forget say single mother and not
This
single.
one not be force, oh. This one
That's
are
the way
just genuine, not be force.
So na them two, they know wetin that they do. The two of them agree. Before the man come carry 18, can't even go put plastic. We go talk say na the woman said use am.
No, they said
Where
not
is it
put plastic.
put plastic?
They said not put plastic. Oh.
Okay, I agree.
They said na upper direct.
Okay, that upper direct now. Say we say maybe the woman force am. Na him dey back. Na the woman dey front.
Yeah.
No be said he come meet say the woman sit down on top him husband.
No.
Say he come pin her there say you go nowhere.
Now be say na the husband na you bought take the marriage there.
Na two of them. Na two of them because if na first say the woman first am, if I come in say the woman sit down on top him husband, they say I will not let you go.
If you say that woman not wake up like so therefore just take get down dollar.
You know how long that thing go don dey go on. No, that wasn't the first time. Even before that woman come that house, sorry, that thing don dey happen. It's not be once. Not be once. It don dey happen. The man body get up for his wife friend. Not even, I don't know, shall God forgive me.
Visitor for that matter.
You know say as man body they get up, woman body they get up too.
No, woman body no dey get up.
No.
Because man dey pack friend dey come well.
Wait, no. Not tell me say woman body firewood. Listen to me, my sister. Not tell me say woman body no dey get up. Wetin be woman not dey ever dey in the mood. Now you want tell me say na only men dey in the mood. In the mood.
What you say means that women, a lot of women, their husband they bring visitor, they call us 2-3 men, they will drink, they go serve, they go do barbecue, everybody go drink chop. Woman body no dey quick stand up like that for your husband friend. He no come.
No, not be that side they talk dey go, my sister. No, not be that side they talk dey go. Wetin I mean be say for him to go sleep with his husband friend, now be say he still dey in the mood. The two of them dey in the mood because if the two of them not there in the mood, that thing not go happen.
Mama, when they don't take away single mother, the law rich now. It don't take away the law rich now. Single mother.
Single mother or not single mother, it could be a single girl, it could even be a married woman.
No, na single mother. Na the work with friend na it happen to. Na friend.
Na single mother, but it could be anybody. Single girl fit do this thing. Married woman fit do this thing. So make you not use single mother take give excuse say because he be single mother, that's why he go sleep with his friend husband.
A lot of woman, if to say that woman a married woman, wetin go for happen?
Because
even say she's married, a lot of married women. You see what Frank talk us now. I will say that woman not come mad from inside that bedroom again. Make you go check out. My husband never come. Therefore, la law if they do feel it, they'll lock up. You never see
lock up. Yes.
Now that lock up not many pass. We be say people think say this thing. How come? It they happen where?
That's why I talk and say those two people. This thing don't they happen between them. It don't they happen. It just happen be said now that day. Now the wife go know. It don't they happen. Nothing where they want tell me. It don't. They don't first they do one.
Now wetin many people they talk. It they
Yeah,
happen.
they don't first they do one. You want tell me say okay? It just come. Now the woman just give am back. Just like that. So simple.
Okay, they're not pleased.
Me ane what queen. Unwe awa so wo ha ya ye yore okay do ba yan. How long go ya sin ya eva I say 1 hour.
Omata, you know sometimes you not go even know because you not what you expect. Not what you do it's because she's mentally. You think they disturb her mentally because she needs somebody to talk to. That's why she can't.
It's good that she talks.
Mentally, it's affecting her because they don't want to discuss it inside the home. And mentally, you think they disturb her for brain because this thing it can disturb you to didn't say it out. If you not the person talking,
That's what you do with the woman for her. So everybody lock up. The man a demon. He's not sorry. He don't they do him before.
Because if you say sorry, say you never dey do am before, how you go keep quiet for that kind big thing?
But make the woman forgive the man anyway, but make he go check very well because two of them, they don't be boyfriend and girlfriend for long.
Now they talk so. You don't know where they for first see. How your body go get up for your wife friend?
Yeah. So don't be any me yeta we don't be always love ye kebe ba ni o wa be di. Na.
Maybe tomorrow okwo no ka mo do or ye no ko no. O wa pe wa be pagbe. Now wow. We don't know say some women get water nyash. All those women, so kind visitor you go call you as a very a tati ba.
Who are buy this ring of Abago down now?
DJ man, you know see some married men they don't care. They young let their friend be anything.
No, that
inside their house.
My sister, word queen. You know one thing, only see you have to speak out. Una wa wo bi agba stay. Oh, tun e wo si wo na re. And when get way is not right. Who go egun tama Emi na le de gbe we. In a respectful way. Because e ma so ma so very o.
Mama, Evelano Tana, I think one certain time like that, it was Okame, na yawa wana so women. I ain't so women, you may way gamma maybe also. So there, Okame walk back with Waga. It may be that why you can't keep walking here. Oyi ga ga na ko fia wana me we imabere. Then o ka we de gbe pagbe o de gbe ya ga ihian na ko fia wana me ma. So ege no ya pa na ti o kan re na wo bege boy no to ta ipaloba. Na we wa pagbe ikebe wo wa ga ihian. Na we gbe ma we ri onana o meti wa le kewe re ban una wa no lose guard. Oh, we about to tour me near Guado, my mammy, our family. Now we from today go. The money and rock by the day, like woman. That's all that is stop.
Not doing when I brought that because when I play up to today, I don't know. Yet he may short bomber shot worldwide because
yes, I'm telling you. Once your husband friend does come.
Change it. We can't change it, but we are changing.
You understand?
All we're looking is adultery. And again, where on when who are bed down, who make kebe, who may wear extra,
and a man, Melele men have Facebook. One minute to come where a man and women on Muye Facebook. Now, in a way, a profile on Muyo with DP or get. Have you who know Yamu Instagram or Wame KB or Mubomuyo? In a way, this have you no ban here Zave or Re anytime you react back be or give with corner eye. Area Banya or Wame near the Billa Wame.
Well.
Because there are some friends like that. When they see your wife gallant, if they see your wife gallant, even though two of you they talk, now that your wife nyash
they go hear what they gay. Oh my God, Ikebogige.
Ikebogige.
Ikebe. Oganere. Hey, mama, the mama.
This thing happened to me. I have one white Oyibo for my city here. Me and my children and my wife, we got to go for one shopping mall. So my pikin can't dey back. I can't run, go carry am for back. The guy want to talk, he say me they look you wife. Now I say, how dare you? Now I say, your woman, where you carry they go with my woman, which one get better back? Now I say, how dare you? Now so my woman tell run come back and say what did happen. Now I say, see what this guy talk. My pikin dey back. I go run carry and they say how they look he girlfriend nyash. I said this so he both start the beg go. Me and I be one get down. I say, how dare you? You want where you carry they go get flat nyash. You want me they carry they go balance.
La wo. Oh, whatever. Flati achoghi ye balance.
Any meje, okwo na gbera me as black. I can never turn my back to look you.
You know why? Because what you get, you belleful, you are satisfied. Even if say you can't see the one way even big pass or the one way you get for heart, you don't care because you belleful.
That is my whole life. Woman pass me na even though you wear pants. As I don't see you from afar, say you dey come. Now that your beauty where I see for front. Now I don't see. But cut turn back, look you again. Shikina.
Yani lo vie koko no ro wodo e logo na yen.
So Safiyan
Yeah, wa so wa we. Ije me. Awa kan okun wa kan na kun o tien.
Odo alala re, o lala re, o lala.
Ngwe me dogo ga ta we me ba no si me na wa he. Di mo wari yo na. Di mo wari yo na. Duwe marere. Duwe manari a olele. Anytime no riri ya oh baba. Maybe then no kwa wa we gbera pa na wi okuna ma we dede we Jamie no wa we sesi ni ri age na. There are some men like that.
Egbe are the ore. Okwo no ka me mo ko no wa le ni because egbe ni they no go even mind the age. Ni aso ajo boya kun na.
For me, I would prefer a queen, your friend. You know, forgive other for him. You know, forgive her, but you know, you will test. Because you will jam me to work for. So that woman, she know, how. Uba we your kawaya, your bold man, you not to touch you. Or ya your bob where they have a big panel back. You know. Egbe na wa pagbe.
Na egbe wa pagbe wo ga gege zin yo.
Let the queen ika yo wo waste time ni the queen.
Because o kiyen be obe won ne. They lucky ni ya pagbe we awuyen be gba no kere.
Àwọn yo.
Ọmọ gwa wanyo. Ugwa wanyo.
Ewe no sunu we club o sunu wa na.
No go me blame because a blame in ring so no the other for no be la wa no yeah a blame in ring a man any me feel no so man in your any me feel or feel what or working a plan working no or yours you no do no working here va bata a plan working here va also na see here va yi palo yin na we bi o wa ya bi.
Okay, mama, this is the way you talk. So, if the man reason like that, why not follow your wife at us?
Obiere married na the only na. And when we be na, egbin apagbe ne. If we egbin apagbe we gbo me am my way. You am me no here be street no wa make egbe wa apagbe. E daga mo ya kwa lo me ni on lo geke. What are we saying?
Ngbe no plan wa jo plan we for couple o kan we ro wa mo ya munya. No make na this single mother ni wo kan ga sha ti wo wa.
No queen we no bi won ni no ku. O yi ga ho we ne guess we yen.
Jesus.
Oh mi vade. Ije me.
Le son ni wa ko ke ku ne no ladun.
Oh mi vade. Vo ke vie mo la e mo vie mo.
Mama, it go come out. You see wetin affect us is I said that woman get luck, say one, heart attack no hold am immediately. Two, e no get shock, wave am down. That woman still get mad from there. If na some women wey not get mad, as e come jam them so, heart attack iwa more, heart failure, as in, owa degbe.
Ọtí wa le bá pa.
Now that one that they call biggest shock.
Ọmọ lè bá pa. Àwọn méjì tó mọ̀ kan ní high blood pressure bẹ̀ náà. Nù ẹ̀kọ́ kọ́.
Deti imagine yẹn.
Meta ni wa we wen yan lala mo a.
Deto si o eni oko no gbuguma no. Owa mu nu oko ni ehun. Osio eni okiyo man emi ni egbe ye na emi amia. Imagine okwoni do mu jakinya ye eva mae nene mi wari eni ya riva.
Alcohol dey by any now.
Anyway, they must know these days, they must know these days. Or there, many of them you. Or there,
Olùwà ejemi kakabo ejemi láwo wo pin na fi oda fún ju ogba yan wi pe ejemi ya wa mi yan do mi wa.
And one, that wait now. You have to very well. Odoame, you live a life. You say, when you na quality, you na scatter.
Amu dia me nai ho se. E ku ni wi yan tere mi we.
we are telling me. Mommy princess, Yamune. Long time ago.
Iya mo we.
Yamune ni I wear.
E be to ga go we birthday na.
You are very cooperating. I'm not sure. Why my child woman making so we are very cooperating up to date. We are very cooperating.
Yamune, ejemi wa igi
Mama, iwe Germany we wan. Iya ga beg Odoame live a life. You say, even you na day.
Ijo ni
That is their life here.
Wa nìyẹn inibun agbo agbere do awa twice di yan wa. Iya wa mi iye me ko ni we wa Ghana iya wa mi wo.
Mama, all those things. Mama, all those things na make am. If my woman friends come sometimes, okay, one you worry, we work by your worry. That's why I do my life. You work by your worry. If there's those say those family they well, that they live well, that they in good honeymoon.